Welcome to the ProfitHub Over 3 Sniper, the complete A to Z tutorial. In this video, you'll learn exactly what this bot is and how it works. We'll cover the logic and conditions behind every trade, the settings you can change, how to read the PDF guide, and how to check the market before you run it. Let's get started. So what is the Over 3 Sniper? It's a digit-based trading bot built for Deriv's synthetic volatility indices. Its main trade is over 3. It wins when the last digit of the next tick is 4 or higher. When a trade loses, it switches to recovery trade called under 7, which wins when the next digit is 6 or lower. Each contract lasts just 1 tick, so the bot is fast, and it makes a fresh decision on every new price. By default, it runs on the Volatility 25 index, but you can switch to any volatility index you prefer. Let's understand the two trades visually. Every tick on Deriv ends in a last digit, from 0 to 9. For over 3, the bot wins if that digit is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, 6 of the 10 outcomes. It loses only if the digit is 0, 1, 2, or 3. For the recovery trade, under 7, the bot wins if the digit is 0 through 6 on 7 of the 10 outcomes. It loses only on a 7, 8, or 9. These wide areas pay a little less, but they hit more often, and that is the idea behind this strategy. Now the most important part, the logic and conditions. The Over 3 Sniper does not trade on every tick. It waits for a setup. On each tick, the bot scores the market using 4 conditions, and it only trades when enough of them agree. For an Over 3 trade, it checks these 4 votes. Number 1 is confirmation. The last 2 or more ticks are rising. Number 2 is deep band. The current digit is 6 or higher. Number 3 is pressure. The bot's momentum gauge is positive. Number 4 is recency. Price recently touched the low band. Digits 0 to 3. Each condition that is true adds 1 point to the overscore. The bot only buys over 3 when that score reaches the threshold setting. The recovery trade, under 7, uses the mirror image of these 4 conditions to score the downside. The threshold is your selectivity control, which is how many of the 4 votes are needed before it trades. Set it lower to 1 or 2, and the bot trades more often on weaker setups. Set it to 3 or 4, and the bot becomes very picky, which is trading only on the strongest signals. By default, it is 4, the strictest setting, where all 4 conditions must agree. If it trades too rarely for you, lower it. Here's the full trade cycle, from start to finish. On every tick, the bot updates its score. When the overscore meets the threshold, it buys over 3 for 1 tick. If the trade wins, the stake resets to your base amount, and the bot goes back to hunting over 3 setups. If the trade loses, 2 things happen. The stake is multiplied by the Martingale size, and the bot switches to the under 7 recovery trade to win the loss back. After every contract, the bot waits for a short cooldown before the next trade, and it keeps going until it hits your take profit or your stop loss. Then it stops automatically. Now, the settings you can change. All of these live in the initialization blocks at the top of the bot. Stake your base trade size. It starts at $1. Martingale size. How much the stake grows after a loss. The default is ×3. Take profit. The bot stops once your total profit reaches this. The default is $5. Stop loss. The bot stops once your total loss reaches this. The default is $15. Threshold. How many of the 4 votes are needed to trade? The default is 4, meaning all 4 must agree. Cooldown. The pause in seconds between trades. The default is 5. To change any value, just click the number inside its block and type a new one. A quick word on the Martingale. With the ×3 multiplier, after each loss, the stake grows fast as 1, 3, 9, 27, then $81. Make sure your account balance can cover a losing run, and keep your stop loss sensible, so a bad streak is cut off early. Before you run the bot, read the PDF guide. On the free bots page, the Over 3 Sniper card has a PDF mark. Click it to open the built-in blueprint viewer. The guide is a 4 pages A to Z walkthrough that you read right inside the site. It explains the strategy, the settings, the journal messages, and a quick start checklist. Before you run the bot, check the market, and the best tool for that is the Tick Analyzer. It has its own item in the top menu of ProfitHub. Open Tick Analyzer. Select the same market your bot trades. By default, it's Volatility 25. The digit frequency panel shows how often each last digit, 0 to 9, has been appearing. Now use the Over-Under panel. This is the key check for this bot. Set the barrier to 3 to see the percentage of ticks landing over 3. The higher that number, the friendlier the market for your main trade. Then set the barrier to 7 to see the percentage landing under 7. You want this high too for the recovery trade. In short, a high over 3 and high under 7 percentage mean a good backdrop to run the bot. You can also watch the market live in PH Trader. Open the Traders menu and choose PH Trader. PH Trader is a full live terminal, which having rise, fall, over, under, digits, and charts for every volatility index. Use it to see price and digits moving in real time before you trade. And remember, synthetic indices run 24/7, so there is no session timing to worry about. So how do you actually get the bot? You open it from the Free Bots page. In the top menu, go to Free Bots, then choose the Blueprint category. Click the Over 3 Sniper card, and that loads the full strategy straight onto your bot builder canvas. From there, pick your account at the top and always start on a demo account first. When you are ready, press the green Run button. Then open the Journal tab to follow every decision the bot makes. Tick by tick, the journal shows the live score, when it buys over 3 or the under 7 recovery, and every win or loss. One honest and important note: digits on synthetic indices are random and independent. These filters and conditions add discipline and structure. They do not guarantee profit, and they do not predict the future. Always test in a demo account first, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. That's the ProfitHub Over 3 Sniper from start to finish. Read the PDF guide, check the market in PH Trader, start on demo, and trade with discipline. For more bots and support, visit profithub.trade or find ProfitHub on Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.